Welcome to how to make a group booking within 5 minutes on HotelHub. So let's say you have gotten a group request of 12 rooms, 9 of them are double rooms and 3 of them are single rooms. HotelHub allows you a maximum search of 9 people per search. So this means potentially you could look for 9 single rooms, 4 double with 1 single, or 3 triple rooms. Any number of combination of rooms that ends up with the amount of 9 people is possible. But what I recommend is lowering the amount of people per search. And this is because HotelHub operates with something called channels. And each and every hotel in our system is linked to a certain amount of channels. And often these channels don't allow the full amount of search capacity. They might only allow 7 passengers or 6 passengers. So I always recommend when you have a group request, I would split the group up. So for my initial request, which was the 12 rooms with 9 of them being double rooms and 3 of them being single, I would split it up in 3. So this means I will have to need 3 channels to make my booking. Let's say the group is going to Berlin. We're choosing the check-in to be the 17th, check-out the 19th, and we just go ahead and click search. Now we're seeing which hotels offer this search criteria, and I just remembered we only want to see 3-star hotels. Then we just have to make sure that the bar has been completely loaded. So we have generated all the rooms for the hotels. As the search bar is on, we are free to look for our hotel. I'm going with the Good Morning Berlin City West. I'm just clicking show rooms. And now to the important part. As you can see here to my left, we have a 3-letter code, and these are the channel codes. As I said, we need 3 different channels to make this booking because you can only make 1 booking per channel for a group booking. So for this one, I'm choosing the channel DDT, and I'm going ahead and click book. You're forwarded to the booking page. Then as always, you have to check your boxes. You agree with the terms and conditions. Then you write your reference, and now you put your names. And of course, we just need 1 name per room. There you go. We now click continue. I forgot to click. Now we're clicking. It says please wait. Please wait. And we can click make booking. Now our request was successfully completed, and you could go ahead and close and look at the booking. But if you want to make a group booking, I always click add new service to this reservation. Of course, if you forget this was a group booking and you click close, it's possible. Now we are forward to your booking. You can always go up on top and click add new service to this reservation, and this will still continue the group booking. So when I do my group bookings, I always use the feature 10 latest searches, which is just giving us the details for our previous search. I'm clicking 3-star, and I know it's called Good Morning Berlin City West, so I even type the hotel name to make the search shorter. Now we previously booked through DDT, so for this we now have to make use of the RMX. Of course, the price will fluctuate, but then I just calculate the average price and I send that to the client as an offer. Here I write my agency ref again, and for the names, and I'm clicking make booking as I did before. And now it says your reservation was successfully completed. Still an option. Let's say I've now go ahead and made the 3rd reservation. I click close. And now you have something called a group reference. So if you ever go to either one of these reservation, they will be linked to each other. So you have Hotel 1, Hotel 2, Hotel 3. And this is of course also a way you could do round trips. So you could have multiple hotels for the same client. So this is how you book groups with HotelHub. Thank you.